Haha, yeah, 2011 chemistry rap featuring the number one DZ, A Tizzle, and K Sizzle. Alright, here we go.
So many groups, where do I begin? I've seen this one, I'm about to go in. Here's some medals and they're here with some friends. They got you thinking, when will this end? Yeah, I love Rice Krispies, and I medals too, Mr. Gundam. This is for you. For you. Hello, welcome Mr. Gundam. Now we don't want these kids dumb, so please, mister, solve this conundrum. Let me introduce you to the number one.
Yeah, that's right, it's me, Mr. Gundam. It's DZ, faux cheesy. And I'm gonna make this easy for you and all them students out there. So all you gotta do is just listen up, alright? Here we go. Here's an intro to the periodic table. And yeah, I do it without a label. So many columns to choose one from, but only one group is always underdone. The metals, underestimated by some, stronger bonds than all the other ones.
Wait, where the beat at?
Hold up.
Lil Wayne,
Where you be?
coming back.
There you go.
Molecular balance, like no other. This ain't your average brother from another mother. Copper has the best conductivity, valence electrons with activity. My words are a shock to you, but no surprise to me. I carry more volts than any battery. Oh yeah, how's that? I ain't done yet, yo.
So many groups, where do I begin? I've seen this one, I'm about to go in. Here's some medals and they're here with some friends. They got you thinking, when will this end?
Tougher than titanium, rejected like rhodium. My words shine brighter than shiny chromium.
The beat's gone.
What up?
Bring it back.
Come on, Lil Wayne. Let go.
What up?
Iron, cobalt, nickel, now that's what I said. The lyrics from my cranium, better than sliced bread. Learning chemistry just ain't that easy, yo. To help remember, learn these for sure. F-E-N-I, but don't forget the C-O. All these elementals forgot N-O. The metal is W, and for sure is an outlier. World's running low, I'm the suppliers. Used to imaginate the light of the world, but not me, cause I light up my own mural. My rhymes ain't speedy, but people still miss me. All these students acting blindly like the elderly. I laid down the lyrics for a factual attack. Atomic numbers is where all the truth's at. Excuse me and please allow me to elaborate. Mendeleev introduced them in 1868. He figured out how all these metals live and connected them with the lost relatives. He organized them into groups by their number. He wasn't just any average cucumber. The metalloids are nothing to complain about. They aren't as bad as Obama, so try not to take them out.
Yeah, that's right. Get it. So many groups, where do I begin? I've seen this one, I'm about to go in. Here's some medals and they're here with some friends. They got you thinking, this must be the end. Damn!